Struggling to keep your employees motivated? You're not alone. But here's the good news. Employee engagement doesn't have to be hard. And I'm not here to give you generic advice. I'll show you 5 personalized strategies tailored to your company in seconds using AI. You know, for many businesses, keeping employees engaged feels like an uphill battle. Ang hirap, di ba? Limited time and resources often mean engagement takes a backseat. And creating engagement strategies, it's a challenge most SMEs don't have the time and resources to do. But here's the thing, if you have disengaged employees, it will lead to low productivity and declining morale. And before you know it, it will hurt your business real bad. And that's why I created this IntelliGuide to help you get 5 personalized strategies for your business in seconds. And it's free. Let me show you how it works. First, you go to Learn.ai and enter your number of employees. Then next, you add your industry. And lastly, select your goals like boosting collaboration or improving morale. And hit generate. And in just less than 60 seconds, our IntelliGuide delivers 5 personalized engagement strategies tailored specifically to your team and its needs. Galing, di ba? No generic solutions that you've heard a million times. Just actionable advice that's suited for your business. So whether you are in retail, service, B2B, B2C, or any other industry, our IntelliGuide will personalize the strategies for you. And just like that, you've got a practical, actionable plan for boosting your employee engagement. And then you can press this email this to me button so you have a copy in your email. So, are you ready to transform your employee engagement? Visit Learn.ai now and try our IntelliGuide for yourself for free. Just input the code Y10020. If it's your first time, you might be asked to input your name and email. Make sure you put your most active email so you can receive the personalized strategies straight to your inbox. And then after that, you'll be able to input your details just like what I showed earlier. By the way, I'm Jerry, the founder of AI Ready Pilipinas. My mission is to help entrepreneurs and professionals like you embrace the AI revolution with practical, easy to follow, and no-nonsense strategies. So if you found this video helpful, please do me a favor. Please leave a comment below and share this video. Let's spread the word and help more people get AI ready. And one last thing. Are you already a member of AI Ready Pilipinas community? If not, join our growing movement completely free. Together, we can prepare for the future, embrace innovation, and lead the way. Let's be AI Ready Pilipinas.